Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft Yammer for Office 365 on a Mac computer. Tutorial 4, posting a video to Yammer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365. Now this can be for work, school or business. So we can now start this tutorial. Let's now go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Let's just wait for that to load. Now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Go to the left hand side navigation menu, click on all applications, go to all applications, scroll to the bottom to explore all the applications. Now go to Yammer. Before we do anything, let's now minimize Google Chrome for the moment. Now go all the way down to the dock. Go to Finder, locate a video that we wish to upload to Yammer. Go to videos. I have a couple of videos that are used for trial purposes. So there I have a video 51 seconds long. Let's minimize Finder for the moment. Now let's go all the way down to the dock. Again, go back to Google Chrome. Let's go to My Communities, All Company, Share Thoughts, Ideas or Updates. Let's click on this. Now let's click on the paperclip to attach, browse this device. So let's go to Movies, Videos, and now video.mp4. Click on Open. Let's just wait for that to load. Let's caption it video. Now let's post. Before we do that, we can add some people. Let's add the admin and myself. Click on Post. This has now been uploaded to Yammer. Depending on the length and the quality, it should take some time to upload and render. And then its original quality will show up on screen. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.